In the quest for optimal health, it is not only what we eat but how we combine our foods and supplements that can make a significant difference. The concept of nutrient synergy, where the presence of one nutrient enhances the absorption and effectiveness of another, is gaining recognition in the nutritional science community. This article delves into the foods and supplements that should be eaten together to maximize nutrient absorption, providing practical tips, scientific insights, and call-to-action points to help you make the most out of your diet. 1. Introduction to nutrient absorption. Nutrient absorption is the process by which our bodies take in vitamins, minerals, and other essential compounds from the food we eat and supplements we consume. Several factors influence this process, including the presence of other nutrients, the health of our digestive system, and even the time of day. Understanding these factors can help us make more informed choices about our diet and supplementation. Hi dear. Start your journey to better health by paying attention to how you combine your foods. Small changes can make a big difference. 2. Vitamins and mineral synergy. Certain vitamins and minerals work better when consumed together. This section explores some key combinations. Iron and vitamin C. Iron is crucial for producing red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout the body. However, the iron found in plant-based foods, non-heme iron, is not absorbed as efficiently as the iron in animal products, heme iron. Vitamin C can significantly enhance the absorption of non-heme iron. Example foods: spinach salad with strawberries, lentils with bell peppers, fortified cereal with orange juice. Hi dear. Boost your iron intake by pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables. 3. Healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K require dietary fats for proper absorption. Including healthy fats in your meals ensures that your body can utilize these essential vitamins effectively. Example foods: avocado in a salad with carrots, vitamin A. Salmon with leafy greens, vitamin D. Nuts and seeds in a mixed vegetable stir-fry, vitamin E. Olive oil dressing on a kale salad, vitamin K. Hi dear. Make sure to include a source of healthy fat in your meals to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. 4. Iron and vitamin C. Iron deficiency is one of the most common nutritional deficiencies worldwide. Consuming vitamin C alongside iron-rich foods can improve iron absorption, especially from plant-based sources. Example foods: chickpeas with lemon juice, broccoli with tomatoes, quinoa with citrus vinaigrette. Hi dear. Incorporate vitamin C-rich foods in your iron-rich meals to maximize absorption and prevent deficiency. 5. Calcium and vitamin D. Calcium is vital for bone health, and vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption. Without adequate vitamin D, your body cannot absorb the calcium you consume, leading to weakened bones. Example foods: dairy products with fortified orange juice, yogurt with salmon, leafy greens with fortified plant milk. Hi dear. Ensure you get enough vitamin D through sunlight, food, or supplements to enhance calcium absorption. 6. Magnesium and vitamin B6. Magnesium plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, and vitamin B6 helps increase the absorption and cellular uptake of magnesium. Example foods: nuts and seeds with bananas, whole grains with poultry, leafy greens with beans. Hi dear. Combine magnesium-rich foods with those high in vitamin B6 to support numerous body functions. 7. Probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health, while prebiotics are fibers that feed these bacteria. Consuming them together ensures a healthy and balanced gut microbiome. Example foods: yogurt with bananas, kefir with garlic, sauerkraut with onions. Hi dear. Maintain a healthy gut by pairing probiotics with prebiotic-rich foods. 8. Omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart and brain health, and antioxidants help protect these fats from oxidation. Example foods: fish with spinach, flax seeds with berries, chia seeds with dark chocolate. Hi dear. Enhance the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids by including antioxidant-rich foods in your diet. 9. Practical meal planning tips. Creating meals that maximize nutrient absorption doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. Plan balanced meals. Ensure each meal contains a mix of proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates. Rotate food choices. Eating a variety of foods ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. Use herbs and spices. Many herbs and spices, like turmeric and black pepper, can enhance nutrient absorption. 10. Supplements. What to take together. While food should be your primary source of nutrients, supplements can help fill gaps in your diet. Here are some tips on taking supplements together for better absorption. Calcium and vitamin D. Take these together for optimal bone health. Iron and vitamin C. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption from supplements. Magnesium and vitamin B6. This combination supports metabolic processes and reduces deficiency risk. 11. Conclusion. Understanding how to combine foods and supplements for maximum absorption can significantly impact your overall health. By paying attention to nutrient synergies, you can make the most out of your diet and improve your well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Please, start experimenting with these food combinations today and notice the difference in your energy levels, mood, and overall health. Share your experiences with friends and family and help them on their journey to better health. Thanks, like, share, and subscribe.